Hi, welcome back to our website designer. Now, in the last previous video, we learned something about how to create a simple banner into your website. Today, we are going to add a little bit small design to it. Let's assume someone wants us to design a simple logo with a text, or maybe a picture with a text explaining something. So we are going to open our Fireworks software. So this program is a designing program. So whatever that you want to design, you can use it. So I will just go for my new page. I'm going to design a banner for our page. So this is the way. Then the height I'm going to choose maybe 250. So immediately I click on, you see I'll have my banner size. So that is how we do the layout setting. So put it in your mind that in designing, you need to use the layout size to design. If you don't use the layout, add a Dreamweaver or add a CSS, your designing will be even bigger than what you just want to develop. So you need to be careful whenever you are designing, you need to use the layout design. Now, what we are going to do is just let's go in for a picture. Maybe I'm going to use a picture to design a banner. So I'm going to just choose my picture. So this is a picture that I want to use. So I will just have to bring it here. Just click on it. So immediately I click on it, I will have this size. So this size, I need to make changes to it. So all that I will do is just give it. Okay, before I will do that, let me delete this picture. Go for Let me delete this picture and go for a bigger screen size. So I'll go in for a new 2000 by 1080. This will be the size that I want to work on it. So I will reduce the screen size so that I will see everything in full. Then I'll go in for my picture, the picture that I wanted to use. So I'll go in because I need to make some cropping settings on it. So I'll come here. So you can see that even the picture is a little bigger than the screen. So all that I need is I need a portion of the picture. So I will just have to use one of the tools called crop. So here you find this symbol. So basically you put a cursor on it, it will give you a word, the name of it. So I need only this portion of this picture. I don't need it. I don't need the whole picture size. I need just a small portion of the picture. So this is the portion that I need. So I'll just have to double click on it. Then I'll have the size. So this is the size that I may need. So the size is what 19,080 by what 760. So this is what I may need. So I'll just have to copy it. Just have to reduce it. So let me go to the original size and check the size. It says 900 to 50. So I'll go back. I'll change the size 900, 900, and what 250. So this is 900. So the 250. So I'll make it 350. So then I'll make a copy of it. Then we'll go back here, change the size to what 350. So that it will fit. Then we're going for paste. So immediately I go in for paste to see it. Then I need to close this one because I don't need it. I don't need it here, so I'll just have to close it. This one, so I'm done with it, so I'll just have to close it so that I'll have mine. So let's assume that you want to type a name, maybe the company name, or want to use this picture as a contact for people to have access. So let's say I'm going to insert the name of the company over here. So I'll just have to type this. So I'll insert this name, IC, ICT Center. So this is the name that I'll just have to, because this represents what the center because of all the picture. So I can you can position it to any portion, but you need to put it a place where people can see. So I will just come to the size and increase it to maybe 35. 35 is the one to so I'll make it 45 so that it will be very good. So I have my name on it. Then what are you going to add to the picture? If I want to drop a shadow, I can choose drop shadow over there, or I'll choose this one. So whatever that you want to do, you can you can choose to add it. If you don't need, you just have to click on it and it will go. So I'll go back for the then I will design it a little. So these are the things that you can do when designing. So I've inserted the inner word shadow. You can see I'll go in for another one. This one I will choose drop shadow. So I have my drop shadow at the back if you can find it. The drop shadow I can make changes to it by choosing a different color for it. So then you have access to do all those changes. So I have my drop shadow. If I want to increase the shadow size, I have access to it to increase it. So if I want to make changes, I have to double click on it. Then the the settings will open for me. So I will just reduce it to that angle. Have this. This is what my card. Now you can see that the color in the text is what hidden. So that gives you another word, another design, but you need to let people to see. So I'm done with that. Maybe I need extra activities to it. I can go in for it. Then we choose. So you can see that how. So these are what the basic word designing thing that you want to put to. So I'm using this image to represent the the center name. So if you see this picture, that means that that place is an ICT word center where you can go and work study. So that is how we did. Now let's assume that the picture you want to do some simple activities on it. You have access to it. So you can see that the picture is also having an effect. So if I want to make changes, I can do that. So you can see that the picture has a different word shadow. So I'm done with this banner as my web, so I will just have to save it. So saving it, I need to save it. So banner, because I'm using it to build a website, so I need to give it the right name so that when I go to my web page, I can make changes. So I'll go for my Dreamweaver, then we'll go in for index this time. So I think I need to create a page for that purpose, or I can even put it under. So let me see if I can, yeah, if I can push this buttons downward. So I can do that. So let me expand my web page size. So I've expanded it. All that I need to shift this command downward. So just have to use the size over there. So the size is what, 9 something. So I have 900 and 350. 900 and 350. So if I come here, I'll choose my div command, then we insert. Says 900 and 350, right? So I will just have to tap on it and see the other way. So going to use says 900. So I have my 900, then I'll have my 350 over here, then I'll hit enter. I didn't bring in the pixel, so this is my web size, the picture size. So I'll go in for image holder, then I'll also first of all let me click inside and go in for the image holder, then I will click. So when it comes, I have access to what to increase it to 900. That is it. Then you go in to pick the picture for the banner. So here's my banner. Then I will select it. So immediately it will be in the page. So designing a website is simple when we are using Twin River application. So this is our banner for the site. I'm just using it, that's why for the page is what's scattered. I'm using it to teach you, so you have to combine these activities. So I have my choose a picture colorful. So let's go back and refresh the page to see how it's going to look like. So I've refreshed it. So this is my banner. So when you are talking of a website, this is how would you design a website. So far so good. Completed everything. So whatever you need to know building a website is all here. So it's left with you to combine them to build a website. Now I'm going to show you a layout. Then you'll be using that layout to build your project, or you can even design your own layout for your website. So for the Green River, we are at the end of it. Now it's left for you to develop your own website with your own style. Now let me go back and link an image to a certain page, because you may ask that can we link an image to a page? Yes, you can do that. So I'll just have to click on this one. Let me see the name. No, I don't know. So let me choose this one. So the I've choose one's image for a page. So I'll go to my browser, refresh the page and see. So immediately I put my cursor on it, the picture is active for me to click. So if you come to the next picture, you can see that there is no link on it, but this one has it. So immediately I click, it will open the page for me. So you can link a certain you can link a picture to a certain page. So this is my web for this tutorials. If you have any question, you can get to ask. But let me add the gallery menu to it so that it will be complete. So I'll have my gallery. Then I'll have to link it. So I'll just go for the gallery. So I'll go for gallery and we'll choose. Then we'll choose my gallery is active. So all that I have to do is just copy the link. Copy the whole link. Then make sure I'm on each page to paste it. So I'll have it here.